Well, just this week, Toyota North America doubling down on the company's investment in a North Carolina EV battery plant. The company's adding more than $2 billion to its initial plan, which means it comes to a $5.9 billion total investment, which would be the single largest economic development project inside North Carolina. The first battery expected to roll off the line in 2025. An expert sat down with me to talk about the ripple effects this could have for decades to come and other green energy investments that have made North Carolina a leader in this industry.
With the exception of Tesla, nobody has succeeded in making money on EVs.
Peter Schwarz, a professor at UNC Charlotte, says Toyota's investment into North Carolina is a staggering one, with the company trying to tackle the EV market that has been dominated by EV maker Tesla. Toyota is looking to move in on the territory.
I think Toyota will put more money into this site, expand the battery production even more than it's saying.
The plant, which is currently under construction in Greensboro, will build electric and hybrid batteries to supply Toyota's huge complex in Kentucky. There, Toyota's first U.S.-made electric SUV will come to life.
And they're going to produce the batteries in North Carolina, and those two efforts are going to be coordinated.
Schwarz says the economic impact could increase the state's gross domestic product by nearly $10 billion by 2044, bringing in $35 million in net revenue. While the area is attractive with good infrastructure, proximity to airports, and an available workforce, North Carolina as a whole is becoming a place for green energy to find a home.
Big incentives being offered. That's always the deciding factor as to whether a company's going to locate in Tennessee or Florida or Alabama. It's those incentives.
Toyota plans to employ thousands of people in Randolph County, but it's not the only company in the region looking to lead the green energy future. In recent months, companies like VinFast and Boom, a Vietnamese automaker and a company focused on producing supersonic jets, have found opportunities here in North Carolina, but it could be a risky bet, says Schwarz.
Sounds great. Maybe some people remember the Concorde and why the Concorde didn't work out. This is a dream, a kind of a Musk-like dream.
Nevertheless, he believes that strong investments like Toyota will not only bring significant job creation into North Carolina, if all goes well, but also attract talent, boosting the state's economic prowess and a manufacturing arm. So once completed, the plant will boast 2 million square feet of space with 6 battery production lines and 4 of those for hybrid electric vehicles. You heard Professor Schwarz talking about some of those incentives. Well, Toyota could receive $225 million in incentives in exchange for a capital investment commitment of $4.7 billion and creating at least 4,500 jobs.